Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Happy Monday to you. It is Monday, August 30th, and I am live here at Aroma Thyme. We had a super busy weekend. I mean, super busy. Yesterday was nonstop. We had a party at 6 o'clock, and then we had a 25 top wedding party come in at 8:30. So it was a busy day yesterday, busy weekend. Can't believe how busy it was. So those of you that went back to school today, welcome back. Welcome back to school. Hope you had a great day. Those kids that are going back this week, hope you have an awesome start to the school year. I cannot believe that it is almost September 1st. I can't believe that schools are starting. It's crazy. So thanks everybody for watching me. Hello Matt, hello Ralph, hello Cheryl. If you are watching me live, if you can give me a hashtag live in the comments. If you are watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I love to see who's watching me. Give me a thumbs up and let me know that you are here with me. Hello Thomas. So let's see. So as September rolls around, we're going to start vamping up our grocery list. And you can call, send an email, and get groceries from us. We are in the process of updating our list on our website, so stay tuned. Not all prices are accurate on there. I apologize. We tried to stay up with it, but we were not as successful staying up with it this summer as we were the last year before that through the heart of COVID. Hope everybody is taking their vitamin C and staying well and running and hiking and getting outside, enjoying the weather. I just got done with a 2-mile run, and here I am bringing you my cocktail of the day. So hello Giovanna, hello Candace, hello Hillary, Cheryl. Thank you everybody. So this week's $9.99 to go special is a short ribs mac and cheese. That is $9.99 to go this whole week until Sunday. We also have our shrimp scampi to go on Sundays only. And as September rolls around, maybe we'll start doing some $9.99 specials again every night or once a week. I'm not sure how we'll play it, but maybe we'll throw some extra things in there for those of you that want some other things as well. So hello Mark, hello Candace. Thank you for watching me. I really appreciate it. And tonight is Monday night. We have a few seats left for our wine dinner. It starts at 6:30. So if you want to hop in the car and come on down to Aroma Thyme at 6:30 for our wine dinner, give us a call, 845-647-3000. It is a brown bag wine dinner. Let me grab one of our wines and show you what I'm talking about. So all of our wines are in bags like this. So you cannot see the label. You do not know what is in here. Marcus and I, of course, know what's in here, but you do not know what's in here. And it's a game. And you get to taste the wine, and you need to guess the region and the grape. And if you guess them correct, there's going to be prizes at the end for you. So I kind of think that's pretty cool. That's a fun little game that we're playing. So that is fun. It's $29, 4 wines and a dish. Tonight's dish is a pasta dish, so we're going to use our lemon pasta. And we do have a couple of seats left for that, 845-647-3000 if you want to hop in the car and come on over. So Mark said, I'll be right over. Awesome, Mark. We'd love to have you if it was that easy, right? Hello, Ellen. And we have jazz on Thursday night, but I hear there's supposed to be rain Thursday night. So if you're planning on coming for jazz, make sure you call ahead to see if we'll be having jazz. I'll be talking to John Simon probably on Wednesday. Thursday morning, we'll make a decision if we will have jazz on Thursday because it's normally outside in our garden area. If it does rain, we will be doing inside seating tonight. It looks like we got a little drizzle. We will be outside in our garden area this evening for dinner. And yeah, so all right, let's go ahead and make my apricot lemon sour. So we're going to use Black Infusion's Gold Apricot. I love that you can see the apricot floating inside there. I'm going to put 2 ounces of apricot. I'm going to put a splash of agave, a half an ounce of Rough Rider LIV bourbon. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice and this awesome Springbrook limoncello. So yeah, so let's see. Pop that in there, just a splash of limoncello. I'm gonna mix that all on up. And that's it, everybody. That's what's in that drink. So apricot, agave, lemon, bourbon, and limoncello. I'm gonna top it off with some ice. And a little bit of soda water. I'm gonna mix that on up. Give it a little bit of stirring. And give it a whirl. Courtney found this drink. I think it came from Black Infusion's website. Michael is a good friend of ours from Black Infusions. He makes this awesome gold apricot, makes a fig, and they just came out with a cherry. So we'll probably get that this week. Ooh. Apricot and lemon. Yummy. Delicious drink. Awesome. That is it for today, folks. I'm gonna get going. It's almost 5 o'clock, so I was a little bit later today. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. If you were watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. If there are any drinks that you'd like to see me make or any products that we have behind our bar that you'd like to see me put into a drink, please drop me a comment, private message me, come on in, we'll play around a little bit. I'd love to make you a drink. Courtney's behind the bar a lot of times as well. She'd love to make you a drink as well. And that is it. Hope everybody has an awesome night. We are closed Tuesday and Wednesday. Tomorrow Marcus has a photo shoot with Hutsy TV. They'll be here videoing him, making a dish, and talking about farms and sustainability and local farms and stuff like that. So catch him tomorrow. Maybe I'll get around to making a drink tomorrow night. Hope everybody is awesome and well, and we will talk to everybody soon. Cheers.